if you ever want to go racing, or if you ever want to move house and you have one of these not folding seat versions of the F10. In this video you're going to find out how you can remove the back seats. Enjoy. So first, this lower bit, you need to pull it up. Pull it up. Now we are going to see if I'm hiding money underneath my back seat. And now for these bolts, we have a T50, a Torx 50 bit, and we will have this one and symmetrically on the other side another bolt. We take these ones out and we should be in business. Two bolts, T50. Now will be the tricky bit. We will have to take this massive back seat out without scratching anything. I'm quite obsessive about my trims. So if I remember correctly from last time, and it's quite heavy. Those were the big. I didn't start very well. I remember that I twisted it somehow and managed to take it out. But by the looks of it, this time I'm not doing it the same. So, and some very short lower edges. That ideally I'm trying to avoid getting them on my feet. As you can see, it's a trial and error process. For some reason I remember that last time I flipped it to take it out. These lower edges, where the old bolts used to be, are very sharp, and you need to pay attention not to scratch your paintwork. But I think that now if I twist it a little bit when I'm going closer to the door, I'll be able to take it out. You might want to have someone helping you. That's the way the cookie crumbles.